video, and it's going to be a tutorial on how to get rid of backlashes and bird's nests. Lots of people when they're beginning get backlashes and bird nests. So a backlash, I'll show you what a backlash is. A backlash happens when the spool keeps spinning after the line has hit the water. So yeah, I'll just show you a quick backlash. Well, that was a bad one. I'll just get a good backlash. Oh, I can't get one. So it's actually quite hard to get a backlash. So yeah, there's just like a very small backlash with the line twisted around, but you just pull it until the line is back to a normal clean spool. So yeah, they're very easy to get undone, but you can sometimes get like a very bad backlash. I've once had a backlash. It took me around 15 minutes to undo. So yeah, I don't recommend getting any of them. So yeah. Well, I'll also show you what a bird's nest is. Bird's nests are like a serious backlash, which is like get knots in the spool. They are a pain, but I only get them occasionally because it's actually not that hard to cast these. But yeah, I'll try and give you a bird's nest. Well, I just loosened my brakes. It should. Yep, so yeah, I'll just show you what a bird's nest is. Just a flick. Oh, can't get one, but I got one the other day. Okay, so this is a pretty serious bird's nest here. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, that's a pretty bad bird's nest. So all we need to really do with these is just pull them out, and if you get a knot, don't worry, it's not the end of the world. You just pull the knots out. I'll show you if we get one. So you just keep pulling line out of the spool, and see, yep, we've got a knot there. So when you get a knot, you just need to pull the spool back and lift the line up, and then keep pulling, and there's the knot gone. So it's actually really simple. The first ones I got, I thought I had to cut the whole line, but it took me about a minute. Just take your time, and yeah, you undo it. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, please comment down below, and make sure to like this video if you enjoyed it. I might put a poll up here for any future videos. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. I'll be uploading more fishing videos, probably twice or 3 times a week. Yeah, I'm just going to show you the sunset.